What's up guys? Today's video is on the 5 best new mini drone on AliExpress. Through extensive research, I have put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So, whether it's price, performance of its particular use, we have got you covered. For more information on the mini drones, I have included link in the description box down, before which are updated for the best price. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now, let's get started. We can start things off with SYWRJ, Land and Air Mode New Mini Drone. You can exchange two forms at any time, anywhere. You can fly it like an aircraft and gather amazing sky shots or nature shots from above. Also, you can run it like a motorcycle and gather awesome land shots. It has a high-definition camera to return you a more clear photography experience. With altitude holding feature, you will be able to keep your drone stable as you fly, guaranteeing a smoother video experience. It is a real-time transmission drone that opens up new opportunities for aerial photography and videography. It is a perfect tool for beginner pilots, offering great quality at an affordable price. With one key takeoff and landing, it's easy to get started. They won't find it very hard to fly. With its headless mode, you don't need to worry about orientation or direction while flying. Up next, we have Jeebel, P8 new mini drone in our list. You will get optical flow positioning hover in it. You can make it accurately lock the height, hover stably, and prevent the screen from shaking when taking pictures and videos. Its folding body design, compact and lightweight design makes it easier to carry than bulky drones. Its folded size is 16 centimeters by 14 centimeters and 5 centimeters, where unfolded size is 29 centimeters by 28 centimeters and 5 centimeters. Its gesture recognition has made it smart and easy to use. With just one gesture, you can start taking photos or videos, and the recognition distance is about 2 meters. You can turn on the follow function through the app. You can lock the target, follow the move, turn on aerial photography, and realize follow-up photography. You can set your favorite target as a hot spot and automatically fly around the target to shoot a blockbuster. It has waypoint flight mode. You can draw the flick waypoint you want on the map and immediately click on the drawn waypoint to fly. With its 1,800 mAh large capacity 3.7-volt modular battery, it provides long battery life. Its easy replacement, intelligent energy-saving and power-saving operations made it more alluring. The very next mini drone we have is Smoky F183 new mini drone. It has headless mode, and you won't need to adjust the position of the aircraft before flying. Bringing itself to you will be easy with its one-touch return feature. With its built-in dual 4K camera, you will get a video resolution of 2560 by 1440 pixels for both front and bottom cameras. A photo resolution of 4096 by 2016 for both front and bottom cameras. It can capture stunning pictures and videos with these dual 4K camera. You can draw a flight path on the screen, and the drone will fly autonomously along the specified path. It has an optical flow hovering system with one key stabilization. Without throttle control or steering stick control, the flight can also maintain horizontal height, allowing for excellent image capture. It has one key operation system that makes it simple to get started. It has one key takeoff and landing function, and when you will get confronted with unexpected situations, a single touch can enable multifunctional operation. It has Wi-Fi map transmission feature for real-time aerial image viewing. If you download the official app, connect to the UAV Wi-Fi, and you will be able to control it completely from your phone. It has easy-to-install and remove modular high-capacity battery. With its 3.7-volt, 1,200 mAh UAV single battery, the flight time can reach about 12 minutes. Furthermore, we have WLRC SG107 new mini RC drone in our list. Its battery adopts a modular design, which is easy to install and replace. With a high-energy density lithium modular battery of 3.7-volt and 1,200 mAh, it can boost power and bring about 15 minutes of flight time. The camera will follow you and automatically turn to point to shoot you wherever you go. It has gesture recognition feature. You can free up your hands for a big picture and get together to take a group photo. It has high-definition video transmission ability. With its advanced image transmission technology, the transmission picture will be smooth and clear. You can watch high-definition aerial pictures in real time through mobile phones and experience the world from different angles. Because of its amazingly compact and portable design, it weighs as much as a mobile phone and meets the requirements of most countries and regions for microdrones. With its 4K, 16 million ultra-clear pixel resolution, distortion-free lens, and adjustable aerial angle, it greatly enhances the aerial photography experience and is a personal photographer for your travels and gatherings. We can finish it up with Keelead KF615 new mini RC drone. It adopts a new generation of simple flight systems, which is designed for beginners to experience a variety of rookie operation settings. It is easy to get started in 1 minute, and even inexperienced beginners can easily control the flight aerial photography. It has a collision protection ring to reduce the damage caused by aircraft impacts. It also protects the operator from being scratched. It can do easy switch between its high-definition dual camera. Because of having large range shooting ability, freely being able to capture a wider field of vision, and switching between dual cameras, aerial photography is no longer limited. Through the mobile phone, you can watch high-definition aerial pictures in real time, feel the world from different angles, and experience from an excellent perspective. Its stable and intelligent flight positioning system gives the drone optical flow positioning and ability to have a stable hover, making it easier for beginners to control. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. The links to all products we have talked about are in the description below. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, I will see you guys later.